So what are the three natural numbers after 10999?
109. Sir, 11000.
Okay, very good. Next three natural numbers. Okay, so 11000. Then
Sir, 11001.
11001.
Then
Okay,
Sir,
11002.
11002.
very good. 11002. Very good. Chalo, question number 2. Who will read?
Sir, can I give a son?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Write the three whole numbers according just before 10001.
Chalo, three whole numbers before 10,001. 10001 means what? 10,001. So now we have to write three before numbers. That is
Yes, sir.
predecessor. Yes. So what will be the answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The first number is 10,000.
Very good. And
Then 9,999.
very good, bachcha. 9,999. Then
Sir, the
Then
9998.
absolutely correct. Chalo. Done. What will be the third question? Come on, boys, from your end. Who will read?
Okay, sir. So, can I give a son?
Yes, Ragi Basan.
Which is the smallest whole number?
Smallest whole number kayo aave?
Sir, 001.
Hey, 001. James Bond ni line માં જાય. Zero itself is the smallest whole number. Zero is the smallest whole number. Can you see the answer?
Yes,
તો
sir.
આપણા ત્રણ જે સ્ટેપ છે એ કરેક્ટ છે જોયા 11,000 11,001 11,002 for sum number 1 and sum number 2 10,000 9,999 9,998 correct and over here 0 is the smallest whole number. What is the smallest whole number? 0.
Zero.
Chalo,
0.
fourth question. Who will read?
0.
Sir, can I give a son?
બીજું કોઈ છે નહીં બીજું કોઈ નથી
Can I Arman Goris?
તો પછી યસ અરમાન
Yes, sir. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53?
how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Come on, who will tell me?
21, sir, 21.
Sir, 20.
પેલા કે આમ
21.
20 21 19 એવી રીતે થોડું થશે. Between 32 and 53 we have to write all the numbers here. 32 between 32 and 53, that means 32 and 53 will not be included, so 32 will be not included, so it will be 33 34
34.
35 36 37 38 39 40 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 50 and 51 and 52. Am I correct, boys? These are the between
Yes, sir.
numbers, between numbers 32 and 53. એટલે 32 ને 53 ની વચ્ચેના નંબર થઈ ગયા ભાઈ જે લખ્યા છે.
Yes.
Now we have to count here.
Yes,
First
sir.
we have displayed how many between numbers are there. So from here 32 will be not included, And from here, 53 will be not included because it is between that two digits. Understood? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many whole numbers will be there?
20.
20.
So you have to write therefore. After writing this is compulsory to describe what are the between numbers. After describing that, we have to write therefore there are 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. Check here. There are 20 whole numbers between 53 and 32. Any doubt here, boys?
No,
ભલે
sir.
describe no કર્યું હોય, we have to describe the between numbers, okay? Okay, boys?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now, question number 5. Who is going to read question number 5? Let me get the new child. અબુઝર, અહદ, ધોલિયા, અલી રઝા નકવી બધાને એબ્સન્ટ મૂકવું, કોઈ એક્ટિવ નથી ક્લાસમાં. અનસ, અરમાન ગોરી is active. Then who was that child who is giving the regular answer to me?
Ali Raza Naqvi.
Sir, Nakvi Ragi Basan.
Nakvi Ragi Basan, yes. Nakvi Ragi Basan is active. Rest of all children are sleeping right here.
No, sir.
Chalo, Rehan, question number 5.
Yes, sir. Write this.
Write the successor of. Successor means what?
Sir, successor means after number.
After number. So what will be the answer for the first question? Chalo.
Sir, 24.
Sorry?
24,40,702.
વેરી ગુડ. પેલા તો આને શું કરવાનું? કોમા મૂકીને નંબર રીડ કરતા આવડવો જોઈએ. ઇઝ ઇટ ક્લિયર? સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Tens, hundred,
Yes,
then
sir.
comma. Thousand, 10,000,
Yes,
then comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. So શું બોલાય છે? 10 lakh. So 24,40,701 is given. So what will be our answer? 24,40,700.
24,000.
24,40,702. સમજાણું કે નહીં?
Yes, sir. સમજાણું.
What is the successor of 1001199? આનું મેં તમને એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યું છે જ્યારે બોર્ડ ઉપર આપણે એક્સપ્લેન કરતો હતો ત્યારે. This was the example what I gave you for successor.
Sir, first we have to write the commas. Means put the commas.
Okay, placing the commas. Chalo. Then what we have to do? Where will be the commas?
991, then between 0, then
Sir, the number is 1 lakh 200.
1 lakh.
200.
1,200,000 will be the next number. That means successor. But what is this number? 1,199,000.
Yes, sir.
1,199,000.
9.
Chalo. Next.
Sir, first comma.
Okay, please place the commas.
Yes. From left side, between, after 3 digit, before 3 digit, between 9.
One comma 999. So what will be the next successor of this?
Sir, 11 lakh.
Very good. 11 lakh. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
if
sir.
you add the last digit, every 9 will be converted as 10, so 0 will be in the denominators
Yes.
here, and the 0 અહીંયા
Yeah.
શું આવી જશે? 10 માંથી 1. So
1.
this 0 plus 1 will be 1, and 1 will be as it is, so it will be converted to 11 lakh.
11 lakh.
What will be the next digit? Come on.
Yes. Before 3 digit, between 5 and 6, then between 3 and 4 comma.
So how to read this?
Yes.
23 lakh
45,671.
Very good.
Sir,
23
and
lakh
it is
45,671 will be the successor of the given number.
yes.
હવે એક વસ્તુ તમે ધ્યાન રાખજો બેટા. So when we have 0 to 8 in the last digit, 0 થી લઈને 8 સુધીનો હોય ને લાસ્ટ ડિજિટમાં, ત્યાં સુધી ખાલી લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ જ ચેન્જ થાય. શું થાય? ઓનલી લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ વિલ બી ચેન્જડ. સમજાય છે?
Yes,
0
sir.
હોય તો લાસ્ટ ડિજિટમાં 1 થઈ જાય. અહીંયા 1 છે તો 2 થઈ જાય લાસ્ટ ડિજિટમાં. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? 8 હોય તો 9 થઈ જાય. So up till 0 to bit up to from 0 to 8, all the digit will be changed with 1. All the digit will remain as it is. Only the last digit will be changed when it is a successor. Are you getting? સમજાય છે?
Yes.
બાકી 9 હોય ને 9 at that time only it will be converted to 10 and carry forward to the next digit. Are you getting? સમજાય છે?
Yes. Yes.
બાકી કોઈમાં
Yes,
તમને
sir.
કોઈ મગજમારી જ નથી. In the same way for predecessor. Predecessor means what? We have to subtract 1. તો એમાં 1 થી 9 થી લઈને ક્યાં સુધી? 9 થી લઈને 1 સુધી કોઈ એરર નથી. લાસ્ટ ડિજિટમાં 9 થી લઈને 1 સુધીનો હોય તો 9 નું શું થઈ જાય? 8. 1 નું શું થઈ જાય? 0. એક ડિજિટ ડિક્રીઝ થઈ જાય. Are you getting?
Yes.
But when it is 0, at that time only you have to
Carry on.
subtract 1 and you have to cut out the next digit by taking 10 to it. Are you getting? સમજાય છે? Okay, chalo. What will be the next question? Question number 6 is predecessor of the given numbers.
Yes. Sir, first is 94. So it happened 93.
93.
Very good. 93 is the correct answer. Second,
And here
10,000 is there, so 9,999.
100.
very good. Minus 1 will be converted to 9,999.
99.
Very good. Chalo. Then next, this was the example I gave you on the board while explaining this, if you do remember.
So first commas to read the answer. Means question.
Okay. 2.
Between 8 and 0, 1 comma. Then 2 between 0, 2 and 0 comma.
What to be read as?
2 lakh
Sir.
8,090.
So what to be converted as?
2 lakh 8,089.
89.
1 lakh. 2 lakh. 89.
2,08,089 is the,
Sir, here zeros come.
sorry,
Sir, here 0 come.
0 came. So for that only predecessor ma 0 hoy to taklif ape.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Mean
Successor ma
sir,
9 hoy to taklif ape. Taklif ape in the sense the next digit પણ change થાય. If it is 90, it is converted to 89. Why?
Sir,
Because
0
minus 1 કોઈ દિવસ ના થાય. So it will be converted to 10. This 9 છે, એ 9 ને કટ કરીને 8 કરવો પડે. So 10 minus 1 will be 9, 8 will be down. Rest of all the numbers will be as it is. આ તમને
Okay,
એક્ઝામ્પલ
sir.
મેં બોર્ડ ઉપર કરાવેલો છે. આગળના વિડિયો જોઈ લેજો.
Yes.
ચલો. What will be the next digit?
sir, first comma, then
Yes, sir. First
next
comma.
Okay. I place comma. Chalo. 76,054. Sorry, 76 lakh 54,321.
321.
54,320.
76 lakh 54,320.
320.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Very good. Question number 7.
Yes, in each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also write them with the approximate sign between them.
Appropriate sign. એટલે greater smaller between them.
Yes,
Okay.
appropriate
હવે
sign.
listen to me. We don't have to draw a number line. Let me clear you. Okay. આપણા ખબર છે number line is what? It is like this. 0 will be center. All the negative numbers will be from this side. Rest of all whole numbers will be right hand side. Correct? હવે negative integers તો તમે ભણ્યા નથી હજી. You don't have to study negative. So I'll cut all these things from here. Okay, chalo. So તમને બધાને ખબર છે, everybody knows that if the number line is starting with 0, it will be in ascending order. It will go from smaller to bigger number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
મોટો digit for example 10 છે. અહીંયા એમ આપેલું હોય 10 અને 6. Check out according to the number line which number is on the left to the other one. So 6 will be the left of 10. 10 right side a set, moto number છે એટલે 6 will be where? Over here somewhere.
Left side. Yes.
Are you getting? So first of all, you have to say that 10 is greater than 6. You have to place the sign. And at the end, in conclusion, we have to write as 10 is greater than 6. Therefore, 6 will be on the left hand side of number 10, of a whole number 10 on a number line. Is that clear what we have to do here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
numbers are given.
Yes,
4
sir.
different sums are given. See, can you check? Can you check here? Digit is not important. What are the number of digit for one particular number is given? We don't care about the number of digit. We care about the whole number, which is always on a number line. એવું જરૂરી નથી 1 to 10 કે 1 to 12 જ number line માં આવે. It can be this number also. It can be this number also. Right? So
Yes.
we have to check out which number is on the left in each of the following pairs. The pairs are given here, 4 different pairs. State which whole number is on the left of other number on a number line. Number line ઉપર કયા number થી બીજો number left side આવે છે? That means smaller number will be on the left hand side of the other number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and also describe them with an appropriate sign. We have to place the sign between them.
Okay, sir.
530. 530 is greater than 503.
Yes, greater.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Greater than
come,
503.
Left side and 503.
So 503 is on the left hand side of
Left
the
side.
whole number 530. Is that clear? Up to right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt here?
Yes, sir. No, sir, no doubt.
Chalo, 370 is greater or 307 is greater?
370.
So 307 is on the left hand side of the other number, which is 370 on a number line. Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now 98,765 is greater or 56,789 is greater?
Sir, 98,765 is greater.
So which one is on the left hand side?
Left hand side, 789 is on left hand side.
Is it 5,600?
No, sir, 56,789.
Have you all understood?
Yes,
Boys?
sir, understood.
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Now place the comma on this. 98,30,415. Over here. 1,23,001.
Yes.
How to read this? 1,23,001. Which
23,001.
one is greater number?
1 crore. 1 crore.
And which one is on the
Yes,
left of the other number?
sir, 1 crore 23,001.
Is smaller. Will be on left hand side.
Yes.
Oh my God.
In
So
the left
98
hand side,
98
98 lakh
30,400.
30,415.
Yes.
50.
Check here. So 98 lakh 30,415 appear on the left side of 1 crore 23,001 on a number line. Any doubt with this? How to describe the answers?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, the last question of this
No,
exercise.
sir, no doubt.
Question number 8.
No,
Who will
sir,
read
no.
this?
Sir,
Sir, can I
ask
Nagpur Agi Vasan?
Kapasia, sir?
Kapasia son, please.
Okay, sir.
Nakvi beta, you are getting chance. For that purpose, I'm not giving a tari kai. Mana kai personally olu nati beta. You have given a lot of answers and you got a lot of chance. So I'm asking
Yes,
for
sir.
the other children to come up, okay?
Yes, sir. Asan Kapasi is ready.
Demotivate nahi thawanu.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Asan Kapasi, go
Question.
ahead.
Yes. Question 8. Which of the following statements are true and which are false?
Okay.
A. 0 is the smallest natural number.
False.
Who will tell me why it is false?
Sir, because 0 is the smallest whole number.
Very good. Because 0 is the smallest whole number, or we can say 0 is not the smallest natural number. 1 is the smallest natural number. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझाई छे या नहीं?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
चलो second.
Yes, sir. 40.
400 is
400 is the producer of 399.
Predecessor of 399.
yes, true.
Sir, false.
Sir, false.
Pakko.
Yes, sir.
Pakku.
Okay. So 400 is a predecessor? No, 400 is a successor of 399. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then third one, 0 is the smallest whole number.
Sir,
True.
True.
Chalo, true. Then 600 is a successor of 599.
Yes, sir. True.
True.
Okay. All natural numbers are whole number.
Yes, sir. True.
Yes, sir. True.
All whole numbers are natural number.
False.
False.
Okay. The predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit number.
Sir, it can be false.
Sir, false.
Sir,
It
false.
can be,
Sir,
yes,
false will
exactly. 10 or 10, for example. Isu kya માંગે? Predecessor એટલે means what? કે એક digit નીચે.
Sir, એટલે
Are you
પાછળનો
getting?
number.
Yes, પાછળનો number. So predecessor of 2-digit number. 2-digit number, smallest 2-digit number is what? 10.
Yes,
Is
sir.
never
10.
a single digit number? No, false. Because if we subtract 1, the predecessor will be always 9, a single digit number. સમજાય છે, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
1 is the smallest whole number.
Yes, sir. True.
Yes, sir. True.
The smallest. False. False.
The
False.
natural number 1 has no predecessor.
True. True.
True. False.
True, yes, natural number 1, huh? Sorry. Natural number 1 has no predecessor. Natural number itself, the smallest natural number is 1. The whole number 1 has no predecessor.
Yes, sir. False.
Yes, sir.
False.
Why? Because the whole number 1 has a predecessor 1 minus 1, which will be 0. 0 will be the smallest whole number. समझाई छे? समझाई छे कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12.
False.
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 13 કોના વચમાં lie કરે?
Sir, 12 and 14.
Very good. 12 and 14. The whole number 0 has no predecessor.
Sir, true.
True. The successor of a two-digit number, successor of two-digit number is always a two-digit number.
True. False.
Sir, false. False.
False. True, sir. True.
If false, beta, કેમ કે two-digit number, if the greater number of two-digit is, greatest number is 99. If we go through with successor of 99, will it be same for two-digit or it will be converted to three-digit?
Sir, 3 digit.
So આમાં એમ કહે છે the successor of two-digit number is always remains two-digit number only. So it will be false. સમજાઈ ગયું, boys?
Yes, sir.
With the help of this last question of true or false, we have completed our exercise 2.1. Any doubt with this, boys?
No, sir. No,
No,
doubt.
sir. No doubt.
So your homework is to complete your exercise 2.1 in your fair book and
Sir.
exercise 2.1 one time in your rough book as your homework.
Do it on all.
Yes, sir.
You have to do it by your own. If you want, you can take the help of your of this video. If you want, you can take help of your textbook. You can go through with anything. No need to ask me such a silly questions. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So your job is to complete these things what we did in the class twice from your hand. One time as your homework in your